Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most healthiest snack that would provide you with the much needed energy to keep you active throughout the day. Yes, I'm talking about the crunchy and delicious granola bars or the protein bars. Usually these energy bars are made with dates or honey or brown sugar or with sugarcane jaggery. Though these natural sugars are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, a small drawback is they have high glycemic index. Hence, in this recipe, I have used the very nutritious palm jaggery, which has very low glycemic index, which is 37, whereas the glycemic index of the regular sugarcane jaggery is 84.4, which is very high and not recommended for people with diabetes. And note that palm jaggery also should be consumed in moderate quantity by the diabetic people, as again, this is also a kind of natural sugar. Come, let's get on to the recipe. For making the granola bar or the protein bar, take a pan and add 100 grams of oats and roast them over a slow flame for about 40 to 50 seconds. See that they don't turn brown. Now they are done, switch off the stove and transfer them onto a plate and keep aside. And in the same pan, take 20 grams of salted butter, which is about 1.5 tablespoons. Let the butter melt over a slow flame. Don't overheat the butter. We add it so that the granola bars don't get too hard. You can also replace butter with ghee. Now it has been heated. Simmer the stove and add chopped almonds 50 grams, roughly chopped. Chopped pistachios 50 grams. Chopped cashews 50 grams. And pumpkin seeds 50 grams. Roasted peanuts unsalted 50 grams. Chopped walnuts 50 grams. Sunflower seeds 50 grams. And chia seeds 50 grams. And golden raisins 30 grams. We add less quantity of golden raisins so that it doesn't become too sweet. Now roast all these over a slow flame for about 1 minute. And after 1 minute, add 10 grams of white sesame seeds. Add the sesame seeds after all the dry fruits and nuts get roasted because the sesame seeds will splutter. So add them towards the end, and too much of sesame seeds may cause bitterness, so just 10 grams will suffice. Now transfer them to a mixing bowl and mix them thoroughly with the roasted oats that we had kept aside. Now they are ready. The roasted nuts and mixture is ready. Keep them aside. Now grease a burfi tray with oil and line it with the butter paper. I have brushed the butter paper with few drops of oil so that the granola bars don't get stuck with each other. This is palm jaggery. I have taken 300 grams. The quantity of the nuts, seeds and dry fruits is 550 grams. So 300 grams of palm jaggery is required to bind all these ingredients, and the sweetness will be perfect, for this quantity. And palm jaggery has lots of medicinal properties. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. It helps in treating anemia. It reduces water retention and aids in weight loss. And it's a very good immunity booster and also helps in, treating cough and cold. Now please place a cheesecloth over a bowl and keep it aside. Cheesecloth is used for straining the impurities from the jaggery syrup or sugar syrup. It is usually used to strain the whey while making cottage cheese. That is why it is called cheesecloth, and it is available in Amazon. Now keep this setup aside. Let us start making the jaggery syrup. Now take a pan and add 1 cup of water to the palm jaggery. Heat it over a slow flame and cook till the jaggery melts and gets dissolved completely in water. Let it not thicken, because once it gets thickened, then we will not be able to, strain the impurities. It becomes hard. So keep on stirring it. Now the jaggery has been dissolved. Switch off the stove and strain the mixture immediately. The reason for making the palm jaggery syrup is to bind the dry fruits, nuts and seeds to bring them to the burfi or chicky texture. And the 1 string in the syrup is the perfect consistency to get that perfect chicky texture, so that when you bite the bar, it will be bit brittle, crunchy, and not soggy or chewy. Now you can discard the impurities. You can see the impurities, you can discard them. And now transfer the jaggery syrup into a clean pan. Pour it into a pan and place it on the stove and cook over a slow flame till the syrup reaches one string consistency. Keep stirring it with a spatula so that the syrup doesn't get burnt at the bottom. The syrup has been thickened. Now we can check for the one string consistency. Just look keenly. You can see the single string which has been formed. This is the perfect stage to switch off the stove. If you cook further, the syrup will harden too much and get burnt also. Now add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder to it and a pinch of salt for that extra flavor. Now add the roasted oats and nuts mixture and mix thoroughly. Now once it is mixed well, spread them over the greased burfi plate and level them with the back of a spoon like this. This should be done swiftly. Press them tightly with the back of a bowl or tumbler so that they get set perfectly. Let them get cooled in room temperature for about 2 hours before we make pieces. Now we can demold them after 2 hours. Run through a knife to cut them to desired sizes. This way. Now granola bars are ready. You can make furthermore small rectangular or square pieces and you can consume them as and when you feel like munching a healthy snack or on your evenings or as an effective post-workout energy bar. These granola bars are quite crunchy and they are not chewy or hard at all. I have not used dates in this recipe because the dates, when mixed with water and ground to a paste and added, it turns the bar soft, chewy, and you can't store for a long time in room temperature, whereas these bars can be stored in room temperature for about 2 to 3 weeks. Friends, I hope you like this video and please try this recipe at home and send me your feedback, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With lots of love, Sana Kuram. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Kuram.